Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to host a website in a AWS Academy. Okay, for that you need to click on the modules and you need to search for the Sandbox environment. Okay, when you find the Sandbox environment, just click over there. After clicking that, you need to click on the load Sandbox environment in a new window. Just click over there. Okay, after clicking, you will see this labs.vocarm.com. Okay, okay, over here we need to click on the start lab. So our lab process will start. Okay, it will take around 5 minutes to start our lab. Okay, now you can see the lab status is ready. Now close this window and you need to click on the AWS to access the AWS. Okay, you can see over here, I'm already logged in, so I need to log out. Okay, to log out, just click over here. Okay, after doing log out, okay, you will close this tab and again click on the AWS and you will be redirected to the console tab, just like this. And you need to search for the S3 over there and just press enter or select the S3. Now what you have to do is, now just click on the create bucket, just like this. And now you are going to write the bucket name. Okay, just type my bucket and just copy your account ID and just paste to the bucket name, just like this. Okay, now you need to scroll the page and you will find the block public access setting for this bucket. Okay, since the website is always public, we are going to uncheck this because it is blocking all the public access. So just remove the tick from there and scroll down and just just take the I acknowledge button and scroll down. You will see the bucket versioning. Just enable that as well and just scroll down and just create a bucket, just like this. Okay, you can see over there successfully created bucket message in the top of your screen. And now just click my bucket. Okay, now you need to go to the permission section. Or just click over there and just scroll down. You will find the edit section in the bucket policy. Just edit that and you need to copy the asterization policy. Okay, I will provide you this, which will be in the description, and just paste it over there. And now you need to rename the bucket. Just erase that number and now you are going to copy your account ID, just like this, and paste it over here and just click on the save changes. Okay, after clicking save changes, now you need to go to objects and just click on the upload button, like this. And now you are going to add files. Just click on the add files option. Okay, now you are going to upload your index.html file, just like this, and just press open. And you can add folders of your CSS as well. Just click on add to folders. Since my CSS is in assets, I will just upload that by clicking upload. Okay, now you can see after uploading, you can see all your files over here. And now you are going to click on the upload. Okay, now you can see our files are uploading. And you can see over here upload succeed message in the top. Now we are going to just click on the close. And now you are going to the properties section and just scroll down and you will find the static web hosting. Okay, now click on the edit of static web hosting and just enable the static web hosting and scroll down. You will see the index document. Just type the index.html, which is your file name as well. and scroll down, you will see the save changes. Just click over there and you can see successfully edited static website hosting. And now just scroll down and you will find the link bucket website endpoint. Just click over there. Okay, now you can see your website is fully loaded in the cloud.